If other all businesses complete, no problem. Finish it. Okay, deal is done. Okay. First of all, thank you very much for your half an hour of your life. Because I don't want
Please.
Yeah.
One meeting.
It's not about some surprise, but it is about my personal. So that's why I don't want to give any idea in 4 days, because otherwise lot of काफी सारा बात फिर rumors चलता रहता है, इसलिए I don't tell कि भी क्या topic है, क्या बात है. Basically you are all extended family. That's why I choose कि भाई हम लोग वैसे भी आप सबको बुलाने वाला था, and I want, because I always feel as a mentor, I always people looking for me for advice and mentoring. But mentor also required mentoring sometime. So this time I want your advice, suggestion and support for something which I am going to take a decision. So that's why you are all Rotarian. We know obviously our parent body is Rotary, and then we are an RMB. So obviously that's why I take a very I'm very nervous first time because I talk in front of 1 lakh people also. But when about personal मुझे आपसे कुछ मांगना है, पर्सनल कुछ है तो थोड़ा कभी मैंने बात नहीं की मेरी अपनी खुद की. That's why थोड़ा मुझे ऐसा लग रहा है कैसे बात करूँ, क्या बात करूँ.
शादी करते जा रहे हैं.
हाँ ऐसा तो नहीं है सर, ऐसा एडवेंचर नहीं है.
वो पता नहीं, पर दूल्हा जरूर बनने की कोशिश कर रहा है.
वो एडवेंचर नहीं है. But today also, yeah. So my also other well-wishers also, you are all well-wishers obviously, but my others also, Bharat Junjunwala is here, Kala Sridhar is here, Sridhar is here, and obviously आप सब तो हो ही. So basically we all know when I worked all these years. So I'm intent, we have district governor and Rotary, everything. So since 1.5 years I am contemplating क्या करें. Because sometimes you don't arrive at the decision. So this time planning to file the paper as a DG. I don't want कोई छुपा के बात करना है, क्या करना है, कब करना है, क्या. But obviously that's why I support, because I keep my candidature open. First of all that, obviously I intend to fight the election maybe this year, next year, that is different story. But I open my candidature for the district governor, for the district 314.
Super.
So that's so that is the whole idea, and I want to give some glimpses because you know me, but just I want to have your 5 minutes, 10 minutes for what I have done all these years. So just bear with me 5 minutes, and then anyone can give your suggestion or anything. So this is like who I am. Yeah, Sanjay bhai? No, fine. नीचे. No, this cap, yeah. Project is completed. So totally I have connected to 14,61,850 people till now. Next, yeah. 50,000 medical camps I have done. Non-medical camp 20,000. Spreading happiness means that multinational companies sell chocolates or any spread or biscuit or juice. That I approached 9,61,000. Next, COVID year obviously I touched the life of 2.5 lakhs people. Children creativity, that's a drawing competition. I touched the life of 35,000 people. 16,600 education project. Women empowerment, I am able to touch 10,000 women in all these years.
Better score than Sanjay Dutt also.
10,000 I am able to give a wheelchair. Till now 10,000 wheelchair or wheelchair sticks and moker. 55,000 ration kit I have been able to distribute it all these years. Next. In sports event, I think 3,100 sports children or people I am able to touch. Setu is like systematic efforts in government tabs like Ayushman card or such government schemes able to touch. And culture event, obviously I am a president of Kala Gurjari, so that's why I also touched the role of culture events in Mumbai. That's also 18205. Yeah. So it is me, like I done, you can say, ऊपर दीजिए. Yeah. Also, as a family member, as a businessman, educator, a history expert, cultural ambassador, devotee, Rotarian, and Karyakarta. So this is little, and the projects of this is yearly projects. Obviously, I don't upload 3-4 things. And last but not least, obviously you can go through this hemanjalna.com. So what I mean to say, all these projects, women empowerment, Divyang, ration kit, tribal upliftment, national integration, environment, sports, mental wellness, C2, cultural events. So what I mean to say, I touched because so many people don't know, maybe they know only one factor of mine. You know कि भाई ये करता है. Because I don't talk, अभी बात नहीं होती उतनी. But I have touched mostly in old field all these years. You know, even art, culture, environment हो गया, मतलब medical, non-medical, and even mental wellness program. So like environment also. So I have touched all the events or all that segment, you can say what Rotary believes in. That's the whole idea, because the Rotary believes in service above self and service to humanity, and I fully believe in that, and that's the reason which is I'm like contemplating कि भाई if we are doing this thing, so then what should be our vision? Why become leader or DG or what you say leader of the our prestigious district? So idea is to grow and focus more on the value-add projects where is need to the projects which is required by society, because today थोड़ा ऐसा हो गया कि we do projects, same every club do their projects, where you projects is fix कर देते हैं. So my vision is let's do the need analysis